That look, Simone, that look. That look. That look. That look. Wow. Bless God. That's a bless God, wow. Yeah. Wow. Yeah.
Wow, that voice, that
thank you.
song, that
Yeah.
I'm just gonna call it a testimony.
It is. It is a testimony.
Cause I be done know,
Yeah.
you done been there,
We don't know. We know.
and here you are
Yes, yes.
on the cusp of a new beginning.
New beginning. I love that.
Found yourself
New
back on
beginning.
your feet again,
Yes.
which suggests that you were knocked off.
Knocked off. Knocked off, knocked out. But here I am again, gathering the courage and the strength to push forward. Yeah.
Why is now the right time?
Now is definitely the right time because I feel like I'm being led by the Lord Himself. If it was up to me alone, I don't think I would have been here this morning. I would have still been at my mom in my room, locked in, or probably overseas, hibernating or hiding, whichever you call it.
Because that's really what's been happening. You've been locked away. You've been going through a rough time, Joe.
Yeah. It's an uphill climb. Doing it alone, but not alone.
And what is it? Can you say what it is?
Well, it is coming out of a lot of trauma and drama from a horrific, I call it horrific relationship / marriage. And, I'm still thankful for that experience because looking back, I thought I had failed it, but I realized it was an examination passed. Yeah, so I'm thankful and I'm happy that I've passed it and I'm still here today and nothing stupider went down where things had to get physical. I'm glad it wasn't physical enough to, knock me out for good. Yeah, but only the fittest of the fittest and the strongest of the strongest and the sober of the soberest could have made it out of what I'm coming out of. No jokes, no games, no exaggerating. Looking back, Simone, it was rough. That was not a life. That was not a life. So I just need persons out there to know that you have a life and you deserve to take control of that life. But first, remember, you cannot do it by yourself. The moment you submit yourself to God and say, God, it is right now. Right now or nothing. Show me the way, a matter of a fact. And anytime you reach that point, I can tell you, God will be leading you henceforth. I am being led by God. And God has been leading the right people to me as well for such a time as this. It's not a lot of people, but there are specific people, Paul Patmore, producer of When I'm Back on My Feet Again. Mikey Bennett never closes his ear or his door on me either. No matter if I stay 10 years away from Uncle Mikey specifically as well. I can tell you that I can call him now and say, Uncle Mikey, and him say, I'm at the house, or come check me. Yeah, God bless that man, And now Mr. Patmore, another one of them. I'm grateful, I'm thankful.
And you're blessed.
Thankful. And I am blessed.
We spoke.
I am blessed.
We spoke.
20 how much again?
We spoke almost 2 years
ago.
to the day.
Yeah, yes.
June of 2020.
Yes. Yes.
Look at where you are now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That is so weird.
Okay.
So weird, I'm telling you. So who knows, Because I tried reaching out, that was the thing too. I tried reaching out, but I just couldn't speak at the time. I couldn't speak about a lot of things. Because that was how the person preferred me. Not sharing anything with anybody. So basically, if I had died, nobody would have known what really happened to me. Yeah. So I don't promise that to anybody, to die silently without my family even knowing what was truly the problem. So it's great to speak.
You got your voice back.
Yeah, it's great to speak, be brave, be bold, and speak out about your experiences. It's just sad that it is who had inflicted, those wounds into you have to be part of that journey, but it is what it is. It wasn't the carpenter who hurt me. It wasn't the firefighter. Yeah, it is what it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
My life, my story, my journey.
That's right.
When I'm back on my feet again, I'll walk proud down the street again, and they'll all look at me again, and they'll see that I'm strong. Those words are in fact my words, and a lot of other women words.
Oh, yes. Oh,
Because they've reached out.
It was actually a woman's story that inspired you to reach out to me.
Yep.
And so you don't even know what you're doing this morning. I think we need to catch up another time.
I know.
Ladies and gentlemen, the new, I'm not even going to say improved, but the new, rejuvenated, restored Jodian Pantry. I feel like we have a lot to look forward to. Keep talking. We'll talk to you next week. Yeah. But it's like a same session, you understand? Where Harris? Come in, Harris. So the single is out now.
The single is out and kicking.
What after this?
And after this, it's going to be a song entitled Pick Myself Up.
Okay.
We're going. And then the other will be one from Devin the Doctor. Yeah, real good song, spiritual song. Yeah, man. Me I go on, man. Me I take my time and me I go on. Alone, but not alone. It's not easy. It's not easy when you have to start from naught, from zero.
Over.
Yeah, it's like I told somebody, you went into something with $5 and you come out with 0.00.
Negative.
And you don't know what to do. But you just tell yourself one day, say, listen, this is not me. I wasn't created for this. I'm purposed. People are waiting to hear from you, Jody. So just get up, don't complain and go on, because the person expects you to fail. To fail.
I heard a song yesterday that says we weren't made to worry, we weren't made to fear.
Yeah.
Who sang the song again?
I'm not sure, but I think I've heard the words before.
We were born to worship, so we do it.
Yep.
I don't remember, but Jodian Pantry, thank you.
Yeah. You never come up with naught though, you come up with this incredible voice, which is a lot.
Yes.
Tomorrow in Smile Jamaica, we celebrate women in maritime, and we talk about the important role of museums. Nebs and I are going to be here. Make sure to wake up early.
So can Jody just sing the rest of the song? Go on, Jody.
Since I don't have much to give you, Lord, I'll give my heart. God doesn't want your money. What he wants is your souls. Many ways to give their